Okay. So hi, I'm Jenny.
And I'm Barry. We've both just finished our diplomas.
In this video, we're going to talk about some of the practical elements of the diploma. So there are other videos on the website about why you might want to do the diploma and whether the diploma is right for you. So if you haven't already, you might want to watch those first. In this video, we'll answer some frequently asked questions. So the first question, how much does it cost and how do people pay?
Okay, Jenny. So you'll pay a monthly subscription to the Permaculture Association for the duration of the time you're doing your diploma. This covers all the costs, such as membership of the association, the administration, and the ongoing development of the diploma system. As well as this, you're going to pay a fee directly to your tutor for each tutorial and assessment of your designs. The current fees are listed on the Permaculture Association website. So Jenny, how do people sign up?
So you can sign up on the Permaculture Association website. You'll need to confirm that you've completed a permaculture design course by giving the date, location, and name of the teacher. You'll also need to say who you want your diploma tutor to be. So before you go to sign up, you'll need to contact them and ask them if they have space. You'll also need to start your monthly subscription at that point, so make sure you're ready. So Barry, question 3, can people get help filling out the application form?
Absolutely. If folks are unable to complete the form online, you can contact the Permaculture Association office and they'll be able to help you. The contact details are www.permaculture.org.uk, or you can drop them an email, diploma@permaculture.org.uk, and we'll drop the telephone number on the screen too. So question 4, Jenny, how do people find a tutor?
So there's a tutor register and a map on the Permaculture Association website, where you can see tutor names, approximate locations, and areas of expertise. You might find it helpful to choose a personal tutor who lives relatively near to you, as you might want to travel to them for tutorials. Or you might want to choose your tutor based on their area of expertise or their approach. All the contact details are on the website, so get in touch to see if they've got space to support you through your diploma. Attending regional and national permaculture events and the diploma gathering is also a great way to meet apprentices as well as tutors. So question 5, what will my personal tutor do?
Okay, so they're going to support you through your diploma by assessing your designs and your portfolio and providing tutorials. There are 3 main types of tutorials. An induction tutorial, which is the first one you'll ever have. Then there's personal tutorials and design support tutorials. Question 6, Jenny, tell us a bit about personal tutorials.
So personal tutorials are general. They're about your progress on the diploma and about your overall pathway. You'd usually have all of your personal tutorials with the same tutor, although you can switch if either of your circumstances change. Your personal tutor is the person who you select at the start of your diploma. Design support tutorials are about specific designs, and your personal tutor can provide these, or you can choose any tutor who has expertise in the area that you're interested in. And the tutor register, again, is a great place to find out more about tutors' areas of expertise. Question 7, Barry. How is work assessed on the diploma?
Okay, so by the time you've completed your diploma, your portfolio will consist of 10 designs and some supporting documentation. There are 3 main stages to assessment of your portfolio. Something we call the IPA, which stands for the Interim Portfolio Assessment, and then comes the FPA1 and the FPA2, which is the Final Portfolio Assessment 1 and the Final Portfolio Assessment 2. Your interim portfolio assessment takes place after you've completed your first 5 designs. Your personal tutor will assess these according to the diploma criteria, which you can read about in the guidebook, which is on the website. These might be signed off, or you might be asked to make some tweaks. Question 8, Jenny, what happens after the interim portfolio assessment?
So once you've done those tweaks and you've completed your remaining 5 designs, your tutor will assess those final 5 designs as well. And that's the first final portfolio assessment. And again, they might be signed off, or you might be asked to make a few tweaks. The final stage is that your whole portfolio is sent to a senior tutor. That's all 10 designs and your supporting documents. And that's a moderation process. And again, they'll give you some feedback and they might ask you to change a few things. Right at the end, once your work is signed off, you'll have an accreditation event, which is a celebration of your diploma work. There aren't any exams, you'll be pleased to hear. So question 9, Barry. One of the David Holmgren principles is use and value diversity. How is a diploma accessible to people with a diversity of needs?
Well, the aim of the diploma is to support you to become a confident and competent permaculture designer. And the system is keen to support a diversity of people with a range of needs and talents. So there's no upper time limit. You can take the time that you need. And there are no talk classes. So you'll be able to talk to your individual tutors about what good support looks like for you. Designs can also be presented in a variety of ways. For example, they can be handwritten, typed up, done as a presentation, or perhaps a video like this, or through art. Anything you can think of, as long as they demonstrate how you meet the criteria. Final question, question 10. So Jenny, we were diploma buddies. We started and finished at the same time. We had regular video calls like this to support one another, and I know I found this super helpful. How can apprentices connect with each other?
Well, you're actively encouraged to form a group with a small number of other apprentices to support each other and to give informal feedback on your design work. These are sometimes called guilds. We did this as a pair, and I found it really helpful as well, but there's nothing to stop you having a few more people in your group. Your personal tutor might be able to introduce you to some of their other apprentices. The Diploma Facebook group is also a great starting point. There's a regular check-in where people post what they're doing and they're thinking about. You could put a post on there looking for others at a similar stage or who live near you or who are doing similar projects. Don't worry if Facebook's not your thing though, not everybody uses it. Events are a great way to meet people as well. There's the annual Permaculture Convergence, the annual Diploma Gathering, and you might find other regional events in your area. You don't need to live near the other people in your group. Catch-ups over the internet are becoming more and more common, and in fact we only met once or twice in person throughout the whole of our diplomas. Everything else was online. So that's it. But before we go, here's our top 5 next steps that you might want to consider.
Number 1, make sure you've watched the rest of the videos online and look through all the information on the Permaculture Association website.
Number 2, if you'd like to do a little bit more research, you can have a look at some other people's portfolios if you haven't done already. I know I found this really useful before I started mine. There are links on the Permaculture Association website.
Once you're ready to sign up, head on over to the tutor register and find a personal tutor.
And then sign up using the application form on the website.
And then start to connect with other apprentices, maybe book onto an event.
If you've got any further questions about this or any other subject, you might find the answer on the Permaculture Association website, or you can contact the office on diploma@permaculture.org.uk.
Hope you have found that useful, and don't forget to say hi to both of us if we bump into each other at a future gathering. Thanks for watching.